In this video, I'll be showing you some of the features that make WebWeka great. First thing we'll need to do is click here to get moving. Thanks, I will. To register, just need to stick in my email address here, andy@webweka.com, password, confirm my password, and then I've got to think of a site title. Now, the key to WebWeka is, of course, to make a website about something you're passionate about. Have some fun. So I'm pretty passionate about squash, not the vegetable. Or is it a fruit? Certainly not the watery orange drink that you get after football matches, but in fact the beautiful game of squash. So I'm going to make my site about squash. Now, to choose a domain name, squash.webweka.com seems the obvious choice. Keywords, squash, can't think of any more, but I can of course add those in later on. Click sign up. Now it's pretty easy, no confirmation emails or anything else to fill in. Here we are. Choose a template. Now I could of course go for the blank option, but I might go for this ready-made patterned header. Also, WebWeka is telling me I can change my template, good to know. And just a page editor tip telling me how to use the functions. First things first, I might want to change this template to have my own text in it. So instead of your name here, of course, change this to something snappy like Andy's squash site. Click save, and it's done. Might need to resize it slightly. Oh, too far. But there we go. Perfectly resized. Move it. Click save. Next, I might want to add in an image. So there's my image box. Click the pencil to edit. And now I just have to upload. So I'm going to upload this image here. Yep, squash court, that's the one. Waiting for it to upload. That's generally pretty quick. I'm recording this in New Zealand, where the internet is not known for its speed, but there it is, still pretty quick. So I can click and drag. So don't worry about how short the page is. You can of course make it as long as you want. Look at that, totally bottomless. So I'm going to move it over here and resize it. Excellent. Happy with that, so I'll click save. Now I will add in some text. Click the pencil to edit. Now I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch me type out some text, so I've just pasted in some that I wrote earlier. Click to highlight, and now I'm just going to change the font. Good old Trebuchet MS. Change the font size, set it to no border. Click save. There it is. So now I'm going to click and drag. Whoops, moved the wrong thing there. I'm going to click and drag to move this bit of text, resize it, and make it just how I want. When I'm done, I'll just go ahead and click save. Now once you add in another image, no limit to the amount of images you can put onto your WebWeka page. Here I'm going to upload a file of Jonah Barrington, squash legend of the 70s. Here he is, drag him into place. Once again, doesn't matter, I'm not running out of room here. Completely bottomless page. Add in another text box, click the pencil to edit, type in here some text. How do you spell Jonah? That looks right. Jonah Barrington equals legend. Remove the border, might as well change it to the same font, keep things nice and consistent. Click save and place my text underneath Jonah Barrington. Click save. Now I want to add in a YouTube video. Click the pencil to edit. Now I've got to paste in some movie embed code here, but first I'll click to find my video. So here I am on YouTube. Type in squash. US Open Squash Highlights 2004, seems fine. Click on share. Click on embed. And here's the code. Just grab that, copy. Close YouTube. Back to WebWeka, paste it in, click save, and WebWeka will automatically pull that video in for me. There's a great thing about WebWeka, I can play the video whilst I'm resizing it and moving it around my page. Look at that, magic. Now another cool feature of WebWeka is that you can add in, of course, any image you want. So if you are a Photoshop guru, you can make your own page headings. So here I've just deleted the original text and I'm uploading a little banner that I made earlier in Photoshop. So if you are blessed with design talents, you can of course upload your own page headings, make it look a bit more snazzy. And click preview here, and here's a look at how my page might look on the internet. Now if I click on my settings, I can of course change things like my email address and password, but I can actually change my site name. This is the beauty of WebWeka, that one day it can be your squash website, the next day it can be your garage sale website, and you can change the domain as well. Save my settings, back to my page, and you can see that the web address has already changed to garagesale.webweka.com. So I can delete all of my squash related content and I can start making a page about my upcoming garage sale. So no need to create a whole new site. You can just change it to whatever you want. So this is WebWeka, your own piece of web real estate. Use it however you want, and don't forget to have some fun.